everyone, welcome to my channel, Lilibet Play channel. And today I'm here in my porch because it's raining. So later on guys, I will show you it's raining. So before that, I would like to introduce, this is new fruit that a lot of Filipino likes this because it's their season. So I'll show you guys. So I have two types of things that I gonna experiment which one is good: salt and fish sauce for patis. So this kind of fruit is very known in Tagalog. We call this siniguilas. Like I mentioned, that this is their season, so it's very cheap. So I bought just about half kilo because just only me eat this. And the siniguilas in English, they call this Spanish plum. Okay, so this is, if it's ripe, okay, this is the color, and if it's not ripe, it's green. But later I will show you guys inside. Okay, so it takes it takes 4 years that I try this, because it's not as too many that fruit vendors sell this. Because a while ago I went to a farmer's market and I found this siniguilas. So this is ripe. So if it's totally red, it's just like me, it's not really good, because the skin is kind of chewy. But if it's like this, it's still, you enjoy the crunch of the skin. So before that, I will show you guys in my porch, because it's raining, so I feel good in my porch, so I feel comfortable, so I don't really feel hot outside. Okay, so hold on guys, let me show you what's the view in my porch. Stay tuned. So this is the weather today here in the Philippines. So it's raining. So this is the fourth time. But when I found out that there's a typhoon, so it's not heavy rain, just a little heavy than drizzle. Okay. And I will show you my plants, guys. They're doing good. And I plant a lot of oregano herbs because mosquitoes hate when they touch. There's a minty smell that mosquito doesn't like that to smell. So this is how it looks, and you can see the ground, it's wet. Focus, how does it look? I already washed this and I soaked this in baking soda for 5 minutes. It's good. It's not sour, it's not sweet. There's a little sour taste and then a little sweet taste. But the texture just like an apple. And then you still enjoy the crunch of the skin. Just like apple. And this is the seeds, the seed. Okay, so let me try with fish sauce, but me, I prefer to use soy sauce with green mango. I love that. But green mango, and then shrimp paste, and then the fermented fish. But for for this, I'll experiment which one is good. I like the fish sauce than the salt because the fish sauce has a tangy taste, so it really complements the sour and the a little sweet of this siniguelas or Spanish plum. It's good. Mm. And this is high in fiber. Mm. The fishy taste and then the salty taste of fish sauce and the tangy taste is perfect. I like it. Okay. So now the third one, so I just tried no salt, no fish sauce, just like the siniguelas or the Spanish plum. Right here. So I put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes so that it's cold. Mm. Yeah, if there's no salt and fish sauce, you really taste the natural flavor of the siniguelas. But me, I preferred the fish sauce. It's good. Mm. And high also in vitamin C. Mm. So I like with fish sauce. Patis. We call this in Tagalog patis. Mm. Mm. So good. The sweet and the salty and the sour, it's really balanced. For me, it's really flavorful. Mm. Sarap. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. It reminds me when I was a kid, my mother, she planted a lot of this, siniguelas. Oh my God, during the season of this, there's a lot of Maya birds because this one is very very attractive for all the birds because other fruit trees there's leaves, but this one when they start bearing fruit, there's no leaves. And the only you can see is the fruit. Mango is season also, mango here in the Philippines. Hmm, so good. I like it with the fish sauce. Hmm. I think you can dry this. I don't know, or you can dry and then germinate. But my mother's style is she just cut some twigs and plant it. Yeah, it's good. So this is this only 44 pesos half kilo, very cheap. And then the mango here is just 80 pesos per kilo because it's season. So if it's season, like vegetable fruit, it's very cheap if you buy in the farmer's market. Mm. Mm. Sarap. And then lastly, my neighbors gave me a bunch of ripe mango. Oh my God. And just only me eat that. Frank is not really into the fruit eating. Me, I love fruits. So good, guys. Try sinigrillas with patis or fish sauce and also salt. That so good, you know. It really balances, you know, the sour. A little sour. It's not really sour, but you can tell, you know, you can still taste a little sour. So guys, I hope that you enjoy and you learn another new local fruit here in the Philippines, particularly for those Western people watching on my show. So now you know what's the name of this fruit. So we call this in Tagalog sinigrillas. In English, they call this Spanish plum. So I would like to thanks to those who joined to my membership join button. Thank you so much, guys. And for those not yet members of my channel, feel free to click that button on your, you know, down below your screen, and it's up to you which level you want to join. And also, I would like also ask a little help for you guys because I really want to build my future studio, and now I'm gathering some equipment. So your donation is mean a lot to me to build my future studio. And also my PayPal is always there, so you can send donation also to my PayPal. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Lilibet Tay channel. Give a like, comment, and you can share also my video to others, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're always notified. Thank you.